You're on.
Good morning everyone. Harvest time. Again, oh, I gonna harvest some eggplant. Oh, too hard this one. Oh, nakakatusok. Itusok po ako. Itusok ko ng trick niya.
The other side too. Get the lagayan. Yan over there.
Itusok ko ng trick niya. Sakit po. Oh yeah, my God, look. How beautiful this one. Beautiful
And the
eggplant.
ampalaya. This one here.
All harvest now.
And the ampalaya here. Why you
And the ampalaya.
take all of them?
Oh my God.
Behind you.
A little bit. Oh, big one. This one. Inside. Have a look, guys. Beautiful.
And that one behind you. More pa.
Oh my God.
Take all of them. And that small one too.
Oh, yellow one. Oh, this one.
Give it to me.
Yellow one. White one.
This eye. This one.
It's,
Take them all pa. Para mag-ano ulit, pamunga ulit.
hindi pa ito eh. Too small.
Take it.
Too small ba? Lalaki pa siya oh.
Hindi na. Ito pa nga oh.
Lalaki pa nga siya. This enough for here, the eggplant. Oh my God, this one. Oh, all right now?
Yes. There's more there.
It is still small. This
Just
one.
take it pa. Meron pa rin. That one there.
Still small, man. Oh, kunin na.
Kunin na.
Okay. It's one kunin na.
Kasi para mag-ano uli. This one pa.
That's
Okay. And there's more in the front here.